G'day cocktail lovers. It's a while since I've done a video like this, a concoction in the kitchen. Thought I'd do one. This one actually has its birth literally years ago when I decided, what would Vegemite Vodka be like? And I literally got some vodka and a couple of spoonfuls of Vegemite, let it sit for a while and then tasted it. In fact, I got some of my friends to taste it. It was awful, okay? Spoiler alert, it was terrible. And it just kind of sat for literally years. Then recently, a friend suggested, why don't you milk clarified? That might make it palatable. That's what I did, and it came out this nice, clear, amber brown colour where it used to be a very murky, dark brown with little bits of Vegemite floating in it. So maybe this is going to work. I was going to drink straight from the bottle, but I thought, pour it into a little glass, have some goddamn class. Oh, that is bad. That is still bad. That is so salty. So no way am I going to be drinking Vegemite Vodka anytime soon, just by itself. But given how salty it is, I thought maybe I could use it to make a dirty martini. With a gin base, of course, I'm going to start with 2 ounces of this from Never Never. It's their beeswax and olive gin, one of their limited editions. It's got a nice savoury flavour. It's going to go very well in a dirty martini, starting with 2 ounces, 60 mils of gin. Time to dirty it up a bit. I was thinking of just putting a bar spoon in, but you know what? I'm throwing caution to the wind. I'm going to put in half an ounce or 15 mils of my Vegemite vodka. As one would expect for a martini, now comes some vermouth, a dry vermouth from South Australia, Unico Pomelo. It's actually got some citrus elements in here, very unusual for a vermouth, but it works really well, makes really good martinis. Going to add half an ounce or 15 mils of dry vermouth. To round things out, I'm going to add 2 dashes of orange bitters to our stirring glass. Just realising with the addition of vodka, this is essentially a Vespa, the James Bond martini. But James Bond is an idiot. This will be stirred, not shaken. So we're going to add ice to our glass and stir that for 20-25 seconds to get it chilled and get a little bit of dilution. Then we're going to strain it into a chilled martini glass and add a twist of lemon. Another touch James Bond would agree with. And here we have our Vegemite Vespa martini, a dirty Vespa. Let's see what it's like. Wow, that actually works. That's why dirty martinis are popular. Putting the salty element in with your gin and vermouth works quite well. So on its own, that Vegemite vodka is terrible, but in a dirty martini, it absolutely works. So there you go. If you ever do an experiment and it fails and you don't like it, don't give up. Down the line, you might find another way to use it. I think if you're not already subscribed, me drinking that Vegemite vodka has warranted a sub. But whatever you're doing, I hope you do take care, look after yourself, and I hope to see you again. Until I do see you, I will say cheers.